أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ليس على الضعفاء ولا على المرضى ولا على الذين لا يجدون ما ينفقون حرج إذا نصحوا لله ورسوله ما على المحسنين من سبيل والله غفور رحيم.
There is no blame on the weak, nor on the sick, nor on those who have nothing to give, provided they are true to Allah and His Messenger. In no way can the righteous be blamed. Allah is forgiving and merciful.
ولا على الذين إذا ما أتوك لتحملهم قلت لا أجد ما أحملكم عليه تولوا وأعينهم تفيض من الدمع حزنا ألا يجدوا ما ينفقون.
Nor on those who approach you, wishing to ride with you, and you said, I have nothing to carry you on, so they went away, with their eyes overflowing with tears, sorrowing for not finding the means to spend.
إنما السبيل على الذين يستأذنونك وهم أغنياء رضوا بأن يكونوا مع الخوالف وطبع الله على قلوبهم فهم لا يعلمون.
But blame is on those who ask you for exemption. Although they are rich, they are content to be with those who stay behind. Allah has sealed their hearts, so they do not know.